Vegetative reproduction. Many plants can propagate themselves by vegetative reproduction. In this process, part of a plant separates off, takes root, and grows into a new plant. Vegetative reproduction is a type of asexual reproduction. That is, it involves only one parent and there is no fusion of gametes like cells. Plants use various structures to produce vegetatively. Some plants use underground storage organs. Such organs include rhizomes, horizontal underground stems, the branches of which produce new plants, bulbs, swollen leaf bases, and corms, swollen stems, which produce daughter bulbs or corms that separate off from the parent, and stem tubers, thickened underground stems, and root tubers, swollen adventitious roots, which also separate off from the parent. Other propagative structures include runners and stolons, creeping horizontal stems that take root and produce new plants, bulbils, small bulbs that develop on the stem or in the place of flowers and then drop off and grow into new plants, and adventitious buds, miniature plants that form on leaf margins before dropping to the ground and growing into mature plants. Adventitious bud. Mexican hat plant Calanco digramontiana. Petiole leaf stalk. Adventitious bud. Detachable bud with adventitious roots that drops from leaf. Notch in leaf margin containing meristematic actively dividing cells. Leaf margin. Lamina blade of leaf. Apex of leaf. Bulbil in place of flower. Orange lily, Lilium bulbiferum. Peduncle inflorescence stalk. Detachable bulbil formed in place of flower. Pedicel flower stalk. Scare left by flower leaf. Stolon, ground ivy. Glaucoma hederaceae. Terminal bud, internode, node, adventitious root of daughter plant, parent plant, stolon, creeping stem, daughter plant developed from lateral bud. Root tuber, sweet potato, Hypomia batatus. Root tuber, swollen and adventitious root, lateral bud, aerial stem, lateral branch, terminal bud, leaf, petiole, leaf stalk. Stem bulbil, lily, Lilium species, foliage leaf, stem bulbil developing from lateral bud, stem bulbil at base of stem, fleshy scale leaf containing stored food, adventitious root. Growing bulb, grape, hyacinth, muscari species, stem, adventitious root, fleshy scale leaf containing stored food, immature spike type of inflorescence, foliage leaf, flower bud, peduncle inflorescence stalk, apex of leaf. Root tuber, Begonia ex tuber hybrida. Last year's root, food store, shoot. Corm, Gladiolus species. Remains of flowering shoot, protective scale leaf, shoot, new corm forming at base of shoot, vascular tissue, adventitious root, swollen stem containing stored food. Bulb with shoot, Amaryllis hippistrum species. New foliage leaf, shoot, apical bud, flower bud, protective scale leaf, fleshy scale leaf containing stored food, stem, adventitious root. Rhizome, ginger, Zingiber officinale. External view, lateral bud, node, internode, scale leaf, scar, scale leaf, aerial shoot developing from terminal bud, developing adventitious root. Longitudinal section through aerial shoot, vascular tissue, food store, epidermis, developing adventitious root, scale leaf, foliage leaf. Cross section through rhizome, vascular tissue, cortex, epidermis, scale leaf.